Hey guys, welcome to Jen's Creativity Corner. I've got some little creative gremlins to help me today.
I'm Galen. I'm Briley. I'm Cool.
So this is my first time making slime. Have you guys made slime before?
Yes.
Have you?
Yeah.
Oh, everyone's made slime.
I made it, but it was a fail.
Well, hey, today we're gonna succeed. We hope. Cross your fingers. But they're gonna teach me, I guess, and maybe you guys, and we're gonna have some fun. We've got at least a couple different kinds, and let's get started. All right, Dallin is gonna do the clear slime for us, so go ahead and put the clear glue in there.
We're gonna put all of this glue in. So it's gonna get messy. Okay. Ready for our next thing.
So here we have a ½ cup of water and a ¼ teaspoon of borax. Just gonna mix that in and dissolve it to be our activator.
Now we have our water with our borax, and we're gonna pour it in the glue. And then we're gonna stir very gently. Okay, now we're just gonna take that and set there. We're just gonna squish it up. Add some more water with, and we're gonna see, because it's kind of getting hard, kind of really hard actually. It's not that hard. It's not too hard. It feels like slime. It feels like slime. It just feels like, yeah.
We'll keep mixing more water and see if that helps.
Yeah, it feels like slime.
Is it making it better or worse?
I don't know.
It feels like it's separating. That's not a good thing.
Is it making it worse? Okay, maybe dump the extra out.
Yeah.
We might be failing here.
It's like the wrong texture.
It's just not stretchy.
Okay.
We're gonna come back to this one, see if we can redeem it. All right, so Briley is going to do the first part here on our fluffy, we're gonna call it snow slime.
Okay, yeah, so we have ½ a cup of hot water in here. And so we're gonna add some glue into here first. 1 cup of glue, white glue.
Gonna add in our iridescent glitter.
More. Snow needs to be more sparkly than. Come on.
How much shaving cream are we doing, bud?
4 cups of shaving cream. Here we go.
So much shaving cream.
All right, a little more glitter.
The
You
whole
can't
thing.
see it, Mom.
The whole
Just
thing.
put the whole. Yeah, a little more. There we go.
2 tablespoons of contact solution. For this one, we're gonna follow the instructions, not listening to me. So we've got 1 cup of hot water and a tablespoon of borax. Better or worse, we're gonna follow the instructions. And we're gonna dilute this. We're gonna do 2 to 3 tablespoons of borax.
Hey, I'm gonna do it. It's my turn. 1, 2. It's slightly harder. Let me feel. Yeah. Let McCoy stir a little bit now. Yeah. But we can't like sit.
Just makes it a little more thoroughly.
You got shaving cream on your arm right there. Yep, I agree.
Okay,
It feels like the slime as it makes this. That's good.
Okay, let's add in the third one.
Don't get messy. Just need it to sort of.
Let's do another tablespoon of borax.
That's like hot. I'm gonna guess it's supposed to. It's still sticky though.
But you gotta work it a little bit.
Yeah. Maybe we should even done that with shaving cream. Because it looks all gross.
No,
Looks
it's
hairy.
fluffy. It's like
It's
like a cloud.
Let me feel it. Oh, yeah. It's way
It's
better
pretty
than the other
soft.
slime. Soft.
Does it feel like a cloud?
Yes. No. I love it. Feels like. Okay, this is slime. Pretty decently stretchy.
Alright guys, it is the next morning. Neither of these were really that fantastic, but we let them sit overnight. And I'm gonna poke this one first.
It still looks really watery. No, it's nicer. It's nice.
Oh, it's so much nicer. Go ahead and poke it.
Oh wow. Oh yeah. This is better. It says it's watery.
It's a little watery. We can drain that off. That is so much better than yesterday,
It's
right?
not sticky
Woo.
too much. Well, it's too much. Oh,
Okay,
water.
so we know that if it gets too hard, maybe we can just add water and let it soak, right?
Yeah.
Okay, now that one.
This one just looks totally like a cloud.
Oh, weird. Oh, weird. It's like totally separated.
Ah.
Mom's like, what did this horror turn into? Why did all the water go out of it? Like
Because
totally separated.
I said that. I think we might need to freeze it. Ah, it feels
But it didn't
good.
say that, of course. I don't know. We followed the recipe and it just didn't work out.
Oh, it is really fluffy. It does feel nice.
Is it mixing together?
A little bit, yeah.
Alright guys, well thank you for joining us. Check out a taste testing video we did on my other channel, Jenn's Lemonade Life. It'll be linked down below. These guys had so much fun doing that. Kind of.
Yeah, it's fun.
And what do you guys want to say? Go ahead, McCoy first. You want to do shout out?
Yeah. If you're watching this, Cody, subscribe if you're watching this, okay? I'm gonna do a shout out to my friend Titan. You should subscribe and make this slime, but not fail.
See if you can do it better than us.
Not fail.
It's a challenge. See if you can do it better than us. Alright, Bradley, do you have anyone you want to shout out to?
Shout out to Noah.
Alright, well thanks for joining us guys. You have a great day. Bye. I say bye.
Bye.
Oh, I forgot to introduce you guys. We've got Bob,
No,
George, and Fred.
No.